Hello there, my YouTube friends and family. Me and my son got a mail call today from my man Pack. Let's get to it and see what he got for us. Uh-oh.
What?
Yeah.
What?
He wrote us a note saying, "What's up, Dirt? Got some Fords for you. Bang it on, son."
Look at the bag.
Then he wrote a note for my son saying, "What's up? You make some really good videos with your dad." Appreciate that there, Pat. That right there. All right.
It's monster truck.
Let's see what he gave us. What he gave us. Oh, look. We got the monster truck DeLorean. All right.
Oh,
One second, baby. One second.
It's got the bubbleware. It's a monster
Yes, it is.
bubbleware.
Yes, let's open it up and see. Uh-oh, you knocked the box over.
Hey, I knocked over a boy. Hey,
Yes, you did.
what did
All right.
I do here?
You can get it open.
What is it?
All right.
I like it.
First up,
The old truck.
he got us the Ford.
I'll hold the bubbleware.
Yep, an M2 Ford. 56 Ford, actually my favorite
I
truck.
like this.
My favorite truck.
Look,
Yeah.
I like this one.
Do you?
The hook it out with a
Let me see. Oh, he got us a M2 Mustang Cobra.
Oh, well, that
Yeah,
was
he knows I like my
Cobra.
Fords and my Cobras. How about that? Quit now. Quit on TV. Yeah.
I got
Okay,
it.
what else have we got?
What is it?
Look at that right there. He got us another Ford truck. So here's got the Coca-Cola livery on it. Another 56.
We have a more guys in this bag.
That is awesome. Real awesome. Appreciate it, Pat. Really do.
We have
Let me see.
other bag.
Yeah, we got Target bags. That's it, baby. Yep. That was nice of you there, Pack. Appreciate it there, buddy. Say thank you, Pack. Say thank you, Pack. All right, y'all. Let's show you a little haul we got today too. All right. Up first, it's the 54th anniversary. The blue and pink. And here is the Nova, 64 Nova wagon. Check that there out. Then we got the 49 Ford F100. Oh, that's kind of the glare on it's kind of bad. Then we got the little 67 Austin minivan.
You're gonna let me take one to the house?
Yeah.
I could go with me?
Then I got another treasure hunt there, the Morrison Mini to open up. We'll open this up here later. And I got the Matchbox 36 Ford Coupe.
I like his
Yeah.
boots.
Yeah.
I like that pink one.
Do ya?
Yes, I do it on back.
And I got this 85 Honda City Turbo 2. Other color variation. Another little nice little car.
I like this right here.
And we got the Road Roller.
Ooh, I like road rollers.
I know that's what I got it for. I know you like a construction vehicle, baby. I know you do.
I like this hiccup for green
Yeah.
horse caps.
And I picked up another one of these Mercedes-Benz G-Wagons because I like the card art on it. That is pretty neat. I like
It's
the
a
black like that there.
matchbox somehow.
Yeah, it is a Matchbox, baby.
I like matchboxes
Yeah.
too.
And we got the Matchbox Fire Dasher.
I like that. Texas.
Yeah, that's why I got it for, baby, because I know you like this kind of stuff. Then I went ahead and got some of these Ultra Hots.
I like Ultra Hot.
Yeah, I like the, this here is the Buick Regal, 87 Regal. Then we got the, then we got the Ford Fairlane. I like my Fords. Yep. Be good to do some wheel swaps on them. And here goes a Mercury Cyclone. Yep. Yep. Alright now. Don't be messing with stuff with her, baby. You ready to, you want to open up some?
Yes.
Alright, let's open up some. Put this right there.
I like that boat ready.
Good, yeah.
Monster Ford.
Alright.
Has a hair on foot.
We turned the Turner on. Alright, y'all, I'm gonna turn the video around there if we can see the cars on the Turner. Alright. First one we're gonna open up is the Fire Dasher.
Oh, I like
Alright, there we go. While he's opening that one there up, we're gonna open up the, come on, open it up, baby.
That's over there too.
Oh, a Matchbox is hard to open up.
Why?
You get your finger in there and peel it, peel it.
You have a head that's over there too.
Yeah. I'm gonna put this out here on the Turner.
Let me do it.
Here.
It's one.
There you go. You got it on there. Alright, now let's open up this one right here.
I like road rollers.
Yeah. Get the hole started for you, okay? Alright, pick it out. Alright. Let's take this right here off. Alright, baby, put it up there.
It's climbing.
Put it up on there. Put it up on there.
It was climbing over.
Uh-oh.
It was rolled off. It's rolled off with a
All right.
finger.
Up next is the 36 Ford Coupe.
I like hoops.
Do you?
Yes. Let me open it.
Piece of plastic in it, didn't it? Alright, come on. You get it out? That means the front needs to be off somewhere. Right now it'll come out. Alright, let's take this right here off and let's put that car there on there.
It has jumped up there. It jumped on the handle.
It sure did,
It's
didn't it?
jumped up there.
Alright. Next, let's let him open up the 85 Honda City Turbo. Alright, there you go, baby.
You ripped a hole in it.
Yeah, it ripped the hole in it for you. Alright, do the other way, the other side. You don't got to take it all out, do the other side. It'll come out. Alright, we got it in your hand.
And
All
then
right.
down in my hand.
You want to put it on there?
Let me try rolling down.
Alright.
Try it on. Do it. She jumped up there.
Uh-oh, man it down. Man it down.
You flopped it.
Yes, I did, didn't I?
Down.
Alright. Now we're going to open up the Mini Morrison, the treasure hunt car.
I like mowers.
Right here, got to hold it for you. Alright, dig the other one out. Alright, dump it out. Dump it out Daddy's hand. There we go, put it on the board. Put it on the board, baby. Come on.
Jump it.
There you go.
That's how I hide it.
Yeah. Alright, come on, let's open up this one, baby.
Oh, it gets a hide it.
Yeah, it is a spider, ain't it?
I like mowers.
Come on, baby, put that up and put this right here on there. Come on, take that out.
It's just a little.
Alright, yeah, this is the Austin Hill. You gonna put it on the Turner?
Yes.
Alright, up next we had the 49 Ford.
I like mowers.
Here you go, baby, put this there on there.
I'm going to talk to a
Yeah,
mower.
I'll let you take that steamer home. Dump it out, baby. Dump it out your hand. Alright. Put it on the board. Now we're gonna open up the Chevy Nova wagon, '64. I like my old Fords like that. That's a nice looking truck. All right, there goes the Nova. All right, y'all. That's gonna be all for this video right here. If you like what you see, subscribe to my channel, please. And put in the comments which one y'all like the best, and say hey to my son in the comment. Say bye.
Bye.
All right, y'all. Peace out.